It was a Sunday morning in Dubai when Ramesh, an NRI techie, sat down with his cup of chai. He'd been working abroad for over a decade, but his heart still rooted in India. With rising expenses, his daughter's future, and aging parents back home, Ramesh wondered, am I doing enough for my long-term financial security in India? That's when he discovered SIP Systematic Investment Plans. A simple, consistent, and powerful way to grow wealth in India, even from abroad. First chapter is, what is an SIP? An SIP is like planting a seed every month. Small investments, made regularly, that grow into a big financial tree over time. It's low stress, flexible, and you don't need to time the market. Perfect for NRIs who are too busy to monitor daily market moves. Second chapter is, how can NRIs start SIP in 2025? Step 1. Open an NRE or NRO bank account in India. Step 2. Complete your KYC online, it takes just minutes. Step 3. Choose a mutual fund, based on your goals. Step 4. Set up auto debit, and you're done. Platforms like Fires, Zerodha Coin, Grove make it super easy, even from the US, UAE, UK or anywhere in the world. Third chapter is, SIP versus RD, the 15-year reality check. Let's look at the numbers. A 5,000 rupees monthly SIP in a top mutual fund over 15 years would have grown to over 17 lakh rupees. The same in a recurring deposit? Just around 10 lakh rupees. That's the power of equity and compounding working together. Fourth chapter is, what about taxes? Long-term capital gains from SIPs are taxed at just 10% after 1 lakh rupees, much lower than FD interest. And many NRI benefit from tax treaties like the DTAA, making SIP even more attractive. Fifth chapter is, Ramesh's story, and yours. Fast forward to 2035. Ramesh's SIPs are worth 50 lakh rupees. His daughter is heading to college. His parents are cared for. His India dreams, secured. All because, he started his SIP in 2025. So, are you ready to start your SIP journey, like Ramesh? Subscribe for more NRI-focused financial content. And drop a comment if you need help setting up your first SIP. We've got your back. Like, share, subscribe, and always invest smart.